I think I can fix it with my screwdriver. I'll put it down here. Get my screwdriver. Fix, 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 fix. Fix, 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 fix. Fix, 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 fix. Okay. It's all fixed, and it should work really well from now on, so nobody's gonna be knocking at my... Somebody's knocking at my door. Okay, I'm coming. Who's there?
Figs.
Figs? Figs? I don't have any figs. I have grapes. I have apples. I have bananas. I even have cherries. But I don't have any figs. Maybe I will let you in. Who's there?
Figs.
Figs? Who?
Figs the doorbell. It's not working.
I know it's not working, didn't you? I've been fixing the doorbell, and if you come another time, don't knock. Use the doorbell. Much better than knocking, actually.